I left my Dirt Devil Vibe. The Devil Vibe comes with the cup. Push the button down and lift up. Take the filter out. And all the dust and debris just shakes right out into a bag or your trash can. Pet hair, whatever it is you've collected, comes right out. I have a cat and a dog, so I have plenty of pet hair. And plenty of cat litter. We're going to be picking up some cat litter, pet hair, probably little papers, because my dog Nick loves to get into Kleenexes and toilet paper and such and aggravate me really bad with it, but he does that. So you just put that filter right back in. Realign your cup on your vacuum cleaner. And then you put this section on for the cleanup in the cage is what I would use. If I was cleaning my car, I would use the handheld version. We're cleaning cat litter out of the cat cage. Litter everywhere. It can. With this little thing, cleans it right up. But that's the handheld version. Now, it also has a feature that you can use as a vacuum cleaner. In the very top, there's a hose, and you merely push the piece in till it snaps in place. With this feature, you can get down in the crevices, just like the vacuum cleaner. You can clean up small spills with it. You don't want the other part on. Now, the other attachment not here, up on the floor part. You're going to push all the way down. It activates the rotary and it picks up as a vacuum cleaner. Wherever you might have a little dirt, hair, it does pick up hair, but if it's embedded down in the carpet any, you may need a larger vacuum cleaner. Now, anyone who has a cat or a kid near a beach know that sand and litter is gritty under the feet. It works just well, really well, on picking up whatever is on your hardwood floors, linoleum or whatever. It goes well under the bed. I mean, it is excellent for your quick cleanup. And all that grit is gone. The dust mop helps, but it don't always get it all. And so the versatility of it is just really helpful. And what I really love is I do not have to buy vacuum cleaner bags for this. It has a cup, I empty it out. Now, if my filter ever gives away, I do hope that Dirt Devil has a way to replace the filter cup. But other than that, there's nothing to ever purchase. You just sit there and have yourself a very good cleaning good time. Quick, it's light, not heavy at all. You just pick it up, do your stairs, and things. There's no attachment to do like curtains and over that. You know, this is the only attachment to it. But it's very lightweight. These type things I personally am not concerned with because I do have a Kirby. And my Kirby gets those things done for me. It has the attachment, but it's heavy, and I'm not taking it on anybody's stairway. And it sucks this little carpet up, and all the throw rugs in the house. It sucks it up, and if you've ever had to pick your rug up out of your vacuum cleaner, you know that it's no fun. And the Dirt Devil gets those jobs done. Well, that's the end of this job for the day. And I already showed you how to empty it. So you have a blessed day. And I highly recommend the Dirt Devil vibe for small cleanups like this.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a abrir esta aspiradora a ver qué tal funciona, amigos. La ordené de Amazon y vamos a ver qué tal. Se mira muy chiquita la caja, está muy pequeña, pero pues también vamos a ver el precio, que no se pagó tanto. Vamos a abrirla. Ok, cordón. Esta pasa. Esta otra pieza. Un tubito. Y esto, amigos. Aquí traen las instrucciones. Vamos a armarla. Ok, amigos, ya saqué las piezas. Es 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piezas. Y vamos a empezar a ensamblar. Ok, amigos, esta pieza trae varios agujeritos, pero tú vas a usar esta de aquí de abajo, mira. La vas a meter aquí, pero la vas a apachurrar aquí para que entre, mira. ¿Sí? Ahí está. Es la primera parte. Vamos con la segunda. Ok, amigos, esta trae los tornillitos aquí. La agarradera esta. Aquí los traes, quítaselos. Trae 2 tornillos. Ahí está. Ok, amigos, están los tornillos. Vas a necesitar un desarmador de estrella. Va a estar así, miren. Esta, amigos, si ven los agujeritos y los agujeritos que están ahí, se la vas a poner así, mira. Ahí así. Van a ir un tornillo aquí y otro acá. Ok, amigos, ya que le hayas puesto los 2 tornillitos, vamos a ponerle esta pieza. Aquí va esta pieza. Va aquí. Disculpen con mis movimientos, pero es difícil grabar con una mano. Mira, fíjense. Nomás se va a meter aquí y se va a escuchar clic. Ahí está. No lleva tornillos, no lleva nada. Y aquí está la poderosa, amigos. La poderosa. Esta, amigos, se puede quitar. Nomás apachurras aquí. Se desambla. Y le pones esa pieza para aspirar carros y eso. O le pones esta y puedes aspirar ya carpetas. Me parece muy bien, amigos. Vamos a calarla. Ok, amigos, miren, aquí hay una basurita que otra. Vamos a ver si jala. Lo que me gusta de esta, amigos, lo que me gusta es que esta pieza se la quitas cuando ya la vas a vaciar. Cuando ya recoge la basura, la quitas muy fácilmente, miren. ¿Sí? Ven, trae su filtrito, miren. Y así puedes ir a tirarlo hasta la basura y la pones para atrás. Ahí está. Ahora vamos a prenderla, amigos. Vamos a prenderla. Ok, amigos, ahí quedó la poderosa. Dice mi esposa que está muy contenta. Aquí ya que entró a clases, ella es maestra y como podrán ver, miren, es maestra y necesitaba una aspiradora que no hiciera mucho bulto, que estuviera pequeña y potente, amigos. Esto es muy bueno, amigos, les recomiendo.
Guys, I bought this today and I received it today. And I want to check on the moquette or something like this. So how this works is quite empty, there is nothing in there. Let's see, it's only clean the surface or more.
Go.
Literally sparking trying to set on fire. Turn it on.
So I just want y'all to know that this keeps happening to me, and I just got this a month ago. But every time I'm vacuuming and then I start to like put it away or do anything with it, pick it up, this thing falls off. I already cleaned this up, but it left all the dirt and all the crap all over the floor, and I had to clean it up. So that's kind of annoying because you would expect it to actually hold together, but it doesn't, and I'm past my return window. So FYI.
So this is easy to assemble, real easy, 3 modes, great suction.
Elegant, unbelievably powerful, unmistakably Mazda. The first ever Mazda CX-90. Retired Army man.
When assembling, this is supposed to snap in place. It does not snap in place. No matter how hard I push on it, it will not snap in place. It just comes right out.
Highly recommend this vacuum. Oh, damn.